The 2026 World Cup group stage is already packed with surprises, and one team that stands out as a massive winner so far, the U.S. men's national team. They just secured their place in the knockout rounds with a record-breaking performance, 8 goals in a single game, no less. This isn't just a strong showing, it's a historic run for Usmnt, proving they're not just here to compete, they're here to win. Shifting gears now to one of the biggest underdog stories so far, Senegal's incredible late surge. Down by a red card early in this match, they could have folded under pressure but were finally back in the... This isn't just about points, it's about proving to the world that Congo's golden generation is here to stay. But not every team is soaring in this World Cup group stage, especially France in Group I. After a shaky start and a tough loss to Norway, they're now scrambling for momentum. The Les Bleus expected to dominate, but here they are playing catch-up in a group that's turned into their biggest challenge yet. But not every team is having it so easy in this tournament. Take Iraq, a side that came here with high hopes and a fighting spirit. After a tough start, they needed one more win to keep their World Cup dreams alive. And then, in a match that broke... And then there's Senegal, dominating Iraq in Group I with a ruthless 5-0 victory, keeping their knockout hopes alive. These moments remind us why every World Cup group stage is unpredictable and full of drama. As we look ahead to the knockout stage, some teams are riding high on momentum while others face tough roads to recovery. The Usmnt, already in Group D, is building confidence with their historic performance. But can they sustain it under pressure? Meanwhile, Senegal's dominant win over Iraq keeps them in the conversation. But can they stay sharp against strong? The World Cup never fails to surprise, so stay